Hey everyone, and welcome back to Shades of Sasha. If you're new here, take a seat, put your crown on, and welcome to the gang. And if you're ready for the gang, you already know what time it is. What's good, baby? So today's video is all about this hair. So since you're here, just keep on watching.
If you ever hit me on the midnight, I'll give you a clean mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. Hold me honestly. Look over your eyes and see. This is what you need.
On the track. On the track.
Okay, so this is the Butter Lace Loose Beach Wave 28 inches HD lace undetectable wig, and this is in the color Balayage Chocolate. So this is going to be very different than what I normally do when I'm doing my reviews. This is just going to be my initial thoughts and just sharing what I think so far about the unit. So online, if you buy it, depending on the site you buy it from, it's ranging from about $36 to about $50. So HAIRSOFLY has it for $36.99. Wig Types has it for $46.94. Ebony Lion has it for $47.79. Elevate Styles has it for $39.99. So it just really depends on where you're getting the unit from. that the price is going to fluctuate. And just keep in mind that whenever you're getting a color, a custom color, you're going to have like a $1 to $3 upcharge. So here are my thoughts on this unit. I really do love the blend of the actual lace. I think it really is nice. I do feel the difference of the wigginess or syntheticness of the fiber that they have used. However, do expect some snags down here. I think it's important to note that whenever you're going with really long units, like, it's going to just snag on you or it's going to shed on you. Okay, so that's what you see right here, where there are shedding that I'm getting and just kind of like picking it out. I think the two things that I really do love and enjoy about this unit, I think that the blend of it and just the customization of putting it on was very simplistic and it was really nice, and I really love the color of the unit. I think, just look at the color. It does a really great job with the balayage chocolate that they have, but I really do think that many of the Sensational balayage color in their series are really nice. So I'm not shocked by that, but it's just not really winning me over. But I think if you can get it for the $30-something on the 40, then yeah, I think it's a steal to just go ahead and pick it up and just have it as one of those go-to, like, I want to do something simple and something that's going to blend really well, and I think this is going to give you the best bang for your buck. But I would not pay $50 or $60 for this unit. So I think once it has capped at that 35, if you can get it there at that, like under the 40, go ahead and just snatch it up. But other than that, that's all I have to say. I think the color just like, it's just too fire. Like, the color is just so great. The length of it is really nice. Just be prepared, like I said, for at the end you're gonna get some kind of snags and you're gonna have to make sure you just are brushing it out kind of constantly. It doesn't feel dry and it doesn't feel silky. I said sinky. It doesn't feel silky, but you should be just prepared for probably when you run your hands through, you're gonna have like 1 or 2 strands that are coming out. But thank y'all so much for watching and supporting your girl, and I hope y'all have a blessed and wonderful day.